share your screen.
Anna.
ఒక 3 టైమ్స్ అయిపోయిందా ఒకసారి ఫోల్డర్కి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు ఫోల్డర్కి ఈ ఫోల్డర్కి వెళ్ళి
ఓకే అన్న ఓకే ఇదిగో అన్న
క్లిక్ చేయి
ఇలా వచ్చింది
3 టైమ్స్ వచ్చింది స్లాష్ అన్న పని చేయట్లేదు సార్ అక్కడ స్క్రిప్ట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ స్క్రిప్ట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి పైకి వెళ్ళి స్క్రిప్ట్ దాని దగ్గర కోడ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఫైల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఓపెన్ అక్కడ
ఓకే ఇదిగో
ఇక్కడ స్లాష్ పని చేయట్లేదు డబల్ కోడ్ ఆ స్లాష్ తీసేసి ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ కొట్టు బ్లాక్ స్లాష్ కొట్టు ఇంకోటి ఎంటర్ పైన ఉంటుంది చూసిన అది కొట్టు స్లాష్ ఎన్ కాడ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎస్ అక్కడ కాదు పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎన్ కాడ ఇక్కడ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎస్ స్లాష్ ఎన్ ఉంది కదా ఆ స్లాష్ తీసే ఇప్పుడు సేవ్ చేయి ఇప్పుడు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళేసి ఆ డేటా డిలీట్ చేయి కిరణ్ లో డిలీట్ చేసే మొత్తం డేటా సేవ్ చేసి క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేయి బాను లేడా ఈరోజు
బాను లేడన్నా బాను పని మీద వెళ్ళాడన్నా వాళ్ళ సిస్టర్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి
ఓకే గో టు ఫోల్డర్
ఇదిగోన్నా
now you can observe right so first iteration time first value second iteration time second value third iteration time third value is picked so we want to capture for the any one of value for local system in your system so you need to write that function like this okay you can go to the script yeah show me that code you can copy and paste in that code into the our chat window everyone can save it and you can just copy and paste it and keep it here and you can execute yes save it in chat window you can copy everyone got it copy and save it in your notepad or anywhere now everyone is fine right understand right this code just you want to capture for the any value in your local system you need to write this function this is a local file operation we can call it as a local file operation you can stop sharing Basha so local file operation using this we need to I think I'm not sure right 1 minute. So using this function file is equal to f open means we are opening for the our folder like C in kiran.txt. So what I'm saying means in C folder Kiran folder you need to create in that you need to capture the user section value. So f printf which value we are print file what is the value in there in the file and we need to read the value in user section value and f close and file. So this technique we can call it as a file operation. So if anyone asks for the how to capture the file operation or how to capture in a local system in our user section or some value means you need to give for the answer using for the local file operation. We need to capture for the, so which value we want, we need to capture that value. So this is the like file is equal to f open, and we need to give for the folder structure, and a plus nothing but ampersand, and f printf, and we need to give for the file comma percentage slash n. Why we are giving for the slash n means you want go to the next line. So you are executed 3 iterations. So Basha executed 3 iteration, right? At that time, what will happen? 3 times will be value is captured. So that is why you are giving for the slash n, then it will be go to the next line every time. You can execute 10 times also, 10 values will be displayed. So that is why we are using for the slash n, and after that LR evosting to read the value point of, we are using that one f close, and we are closing the file. So this is the simple one, and everyone can try. And one more we need to do for the one more, like one more technique will be there. We are already not done, no? Departure Denver and arrive we need to do. So I'm doing for the correlation. So here we can add a edit also possible. So just I'm giving for the boundaries. So based on our boundary also we need to correlate, then automatically function will be generated. So now we can go to script, and we return 2 functions. Okay, one is for the departure, one is for the arrival. We already done. So we need to give for this also same boundaries we need to give. Okay, then we need to give for the one more thing we missed, right? Ordinal we are giving for the, here we need to give for the function like ordinal. Ordinal equal to all I am giving. So same function we can give here. Okay, and now we can execute. See, got some error. Ordinal all argument unrecognized.
ఆర్డినల్లో స్పేస్ వచ్చింది.
Space issue. Okay, good. Okay, yes. I think same thing came in down also, right? Ordinal. Okay, it's correct, right? Now I can execute. Still we got error. The argument is missing or empty.
అన్న బౌండరీలోనే మిస్ అయిందన్న. చూడండి.
Assume the y, okay, till login below y it is coming these functions. Okay, in the search flight button, okay, they go only, right? Okay, it's correct only. Boundaries, okay, LBRB is wrong, I think. Yeah.
ఆర్బి లండన్ ఉంది చూడండి అన్న.
Yeah, yeah. Why 2 times came or 1 time came? We are changed, right? We go to the again design studio and see. Can select this and otherwise we'll go to the here and we'll take boundaries first. Code generation, right? Go to control home and then you try it for the camera. Take this value actually boundaries will take this one. Go to here. Just it. So this value will be left boundary for our understanding, right? Only London only extra, right? London again. Okay, this is correct. And after that, no. This is the LB, right? RB. This is the LB and RB. You may take this value. It's correct, right? Now, I think. Replaced value. That is why it is asking for the argument is missing because parameter name is not there. Now we can observe the script will be paused. Now you can see here all values will be captured or not. You can observe. See all array departure, all values will be captured. How many values we have? Total departure count will be 20 and array count will be 20. So in this value, I want capture for the randomly. So at that point of view, we need to write for the one more C technique. That will be we need to write for the after the request, like where it is a departure, right? In this you need to write for the here that function. So just nothing you can do, you can copy and paste it on. So control V. So just I'm writing for the LR save string LR parameter random. So LR parameter random means we need to capture for the randomly means you need to use for the function name is LR parameter random function. In that function, which value we are doing? Departure value we are doing. So that is why I written for the departure and this value I am saving to the rand depart. So this value I'm using for the LR save string. This departure value I'm saving as a rand departure value I'm saving. And the same thing LR parameter random arrive. In that array, I'm saving this rand array in the LR save string. And if strcmp means string comparison, means we need to compare two strings, means we need to use for the string comparison. LR evolve string and rand departure, because we already saved is in this value to the in this, right? So that is where rand departs, comma, and LR evolve string, and we need to reading for the rand array and equal to 0. So at the time what will happen means departure and array equal to, so departure and array is same, so cannot book the ticket. If it is not same, can book the ticket. So at that point of view we are writing for this technique. So now we can observe script parsing also succeeded. So now we can execute. Now we can go to the output window and we'll see that we captured or not. So now we can able to see everyone able to see the parameter substitution departure value will be 17 San Francisco. See, you can observe rand depart will be San Francisco, rand area will be London. So that is why which message you got, departure you are not same, can book the ticket. Everyone able to see departure and arrive is not same, can book the ticket. So in this randomly capture point of view, we are using for this function generate random function. Using this function, we need to write the code where we are writing. So you can observe after departure array we done right, below you need to write. For this all C techniques you need to write for the after the request, not before the request. So you can I'm sharing this to in our chart window. Everyone can copy and keep it. So again you can execute. This time will be randomly. You need to capture for the any of the random values. If it is see for example departure array London, so it will cannot book the ticket, right? So you want to get the message means you need to write that function and you need to see Denver, Paris you got. See departure and they are not same, can book the ticket. So like this you need to do for this thing. Okay, got it right?
Okay.
So this two is enough for our point of view. Okay, and we are mostly finish our scripting. So anyone any doubts as of now scripting? What are we discussed right as of now? Correlation, parameterization, everything. So tomorrow everyone can record this Web2 script and do for the correlation, parameterization, checkpoints, and file operation, and generate random. And as same to the Blazzy demo also you need to record and do for the all script announcements. Tomorrow before 8 only we'll connect and we'll see the everyone script. I will look on that.
Okay.
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 So I think everyone is good, right?